I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use low exposure on your iPhone. Low exposure refers to reducing the amount of light captured by your camera, resulting in a darker image. This technique is fantastic for creating dramatic, moody, or silhouetted photographs. The most straightforward way to achieve this is directly within the native camera app, using a simple, intuitive gesture. We'll explore this essential adjustment to give your photos a unique, artistic feel. To manually adjust exposure, first open your iPhone's camera app. Tap anywhere on the screen to set your focus point. You'll see a yellow square appear, accompanied by a small sun icon. To lower the exposure, simply drag this sun icon downwards. As you do, you'll immediately notice the image on your screen becoming darker in real time. This gives you instant visual feedback, allowing you to achieve the desired level of darkness with ease. For more precise control, you can use the exposure compensation slider. Begin by tapping the small chevron or up arrow located at the top center of your camera app screen. This reveals a row of additional controls. Find and tap the exposure compensation icon, which resembles a circle with a plus and minus symbol inside. A slider will appear. Drag it to the left, towards the negative values, to decrease the exposure and darken your shot with greater accuracy. When using low exposure, aim for dramatic effects like striking silhouettes against a bright background or capturing the mood of a dimly lit scene. Backlighting, where the light source is behind your subject, works exceptionally well with this technique. In very low light, a tripod can be invaluable to prevent camera shake and ensure sharp images. Always review your photos right after taking them to confirm you've captured the exact low exposure look you envisioned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.